In this video, I will be showing you how to work a make one right. A make one right is a way of increasing one stitch, and when done correctly, the increased stitch should be leaning to the right. To start, you are going to knit until your pattern calls for the increase. To make one right, you will start by inserting the left needle under the bar in between the stitches from back to front, and knit the new stitch on the left needle. You have now made one right. Continue working your pattern according to the instructions. Again, to make one right, you insert the left needle under the bar in between the stitches from back to front. Then you will knit the new stitch. Check out our other videos on how to make one left and make one left and make one right purlwise.